Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a really cute new Revlon wig called Calista. And the color on Calista is one of my personal favorites. It's called Cherry Cola, also 33/32C. I love this color. I reviewed Scorpio in the exact same color, and the manufacturer photos for this wig featured this color. So I was like, oh, well, you know, I would love to show you a different color, but you know, I just couldn't help myself. It's just too darn pretty. And this wig is just too darn precious. It's super duper cute. Now, I don't want to fuss with the curls too much, so this literally came out of the box looking just like this. I'm gonna sell this in the clearance section of my site, so I don't want to mess the curls up for whoever buys the wig after I review this. So I'm not gonna comb it or anything that would, you know, disrupt the integrity of the curls as they are out of the box. So please forgive me if this looks a little bit Snow White, but I think it's super cute. Like most Revlon wigs that I have reviewed, it's kind of tight on my head. I have a really large head though. My circumference is 23.5 inches. So as long as you're not that big, you're gonna be all right. This would fit an average head just fine. Calista has a hand-tied monofilament top. And I'll show that to you a little bit more detail once I take the wig off. Might not have gotten it so well there. It doesn't have a lace front, doesn't really need one. I actually personally prefer wigs that either have a lace front and an open top or a monofilament top and no lace front, but that's just for comfort. I find that lace front monofilament wigs tend to be kind of uncomfortable. At least for my taste, they tend to be kind of scratchy. But you know, everybody's got a different preference. So this one is very, very cute. Reminds me of my go-to wig, which is the Brigitte by Estetica. Let me show you the sides. The difference though is that the curls start way lower on the hair shaft on Calista than they do on Brigitte. Brigitte has curls all throughout the top as well. And it also has this side swept fringe that is not particularly curly, which is definitely unique to this style. And that's why it kind of looks like a Snow White wig a little bit. But I don't mind, I think it's cute. It's kind of retro. Let me shake that again for you. It's a little heavy. It weighs 4.4 ounces. For a wig this length, that's kind of heavy. Not gonna lie. But you know, it's not uncomfortably heavy. It's just kind of heavy for how short it is. Let's see here. What else we got? The fringe that I mentioned earlier is 6.5 inches. The layer from the crown down is 8, but that's uncurled. And then the nape is 5.5 inches. Again, that's uncurled. So curly, of course, it's gonna go boop, just like that. So that's why this is a very cute, short wig. So now I'm gonna take Calista off so you can see the cap construction. I was so excited when I saw this Revlon wig because everybody knows that the short and shoulder length curly styles are the new thing right now. They're very, very, very cute. They're very on trend. And this one is just a really pretty length. Most of the curly wigs that have been coming out are, you know, approximately shoulder length. And this one is decidedly shorter. It comes down right around here on me. So here is that mono top. Also has a fairly nice size strip of polyurethane here in the front that you could put some adhesive on if you like. Pretty normal ear tabs, but these are the kind of ear tabs that are really nice for wearing glasses. And it has an extended nape, which is really cool. And what I mean by that is this is where the back of the wig ends and they put a little extra bit of fabric here, so that way it helps give you a little bit more coverage in the back. Additionally, it is adjustable, kind of like a bra here. The perimeter on these Revlon wigs is stretchier than it is on, say, a Noriko wig, but not quite as stretchy as what you might get from Estetica. So just keep that in mind if you've got a large head. Like I said, these wigs fit a little snug on me. And from what I can tell, this wig has absolutely no permatease. Like I'm hunting for it. And I don't detect any permatease at all. So if you are not a fan of permatease, Calista would be an excellent choice. There's another look from the top down around the crown area of that monofilament rather. Very pretty. Up close and personal with the texture. The fiber is a little shiny, but that's because it's very similar to a Noriko fiber. Revlon wigs are made by the same company that makes Noriko, Rene of Paris, and Amour wigs. So very, very similar shine level. Now, this color is picking up slightly warmer and slightly shinier than it normally would. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the overhead light so you get an idea of what it looks like with the light coming in through the window, which is not really sufficient for a review of the style, but that way you can get a look at the color without the yellow tint of the light. This is very more true to life of what this color looks like. So you can see it's got some really beautiful red streaks and kind of like this lovely chocolatey reddish brown color in the back. Significantly darker towards the back with more of that red bright highlight in the front. Very pretty curl pattern, by the way. I'm going to turn the overhead light on. Very, very pretty curl pattern. Big, big barrel curls. Very pretty, very on trend. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on. Kind of position the hair a little bit. I'm just going to kind of let it go where it wants to go because I don't want to mess the curls up too much for its new owner, whoever that may be. Super cute. Totally Disney princess, totally retro 30s, very pretty. I'm a fan. I like this wig. It's super cute. This is the Calista wig by Revlon. Again, the color on this has been Cherry Cola, also known as 33/32C. So thank you for watching, and be sure to check out my site, CysterWigs with a CYSTER.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.